Today we have a 1994 Harley Davidson stereo here in the shop for intermittent audio, channels cutting in and out, or no audio in some channels and some channels work. We're going to show you how to repair this problem because this is a radio we commonly don't see in shop. I'm going to remove the top cover here. There will be two screws here in the back of this top cover that we're going to remove. Two along the front edge of the cover, maybe with this silver tape they are covered up, but there are two screws underneath the edge of the silver tape here. We've gone through the tape to remove these screws. We've already taken care of this stereo, but we're going to show you what we found, and actually what we didn't find, and what we didn't find, and what ended up repairing the radio. With the four screws removed, we can push the back cover up, pull it back, and release it. Now, over here at the heat sink is the outputs. We took our magnifying glass to this first and looked at all the poor solder, or looking for poor solder on the outputs. Usually that's what we see when channels cut in and out. But we found that the solder physically didn't look bad, but we did notice that as we tapped around on the board, the channels would cut in and out. So what we ended up doing is we resoldered the two output ICs along with about this much of the circuit board. This whole section here, and repaired this, and we found that once we repaired the resoldered all these connections, that the audio no longer cut in and out with tapping the board, and the radio stayed. Again, this is a radio we don't see too commonly in the shop. Hope this video helps you out with repair this Harley Davidson radio. See our website for other removals, repairs, and so on. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.